Okay, hey everyone, let's get right into the video. I'm going to be showing you how I put soft roller curls into my hair. I'm going to be using soft rollers, of course. I'm taking fairly big sections, I'd say medium sections. I start about towards the bottom, but about halfway down. I'm going to roll up the bottom and then roll up the rest of my hair, making sure to keep everything nice and smooth. And then I'm going to section it off and close it and squeeze it. Spoiler alert, these curls did not turn out how they usually do, which I'll explain later in the video, but I still wanted to upload this video because the process that I did this is essentially the same. I just think that I was really tired and I didn't do it as neatly as I should have. And I think I needed to spray my hair a little bit more to make it more damp so that I would have more curl definition. So I think my hair was a little bit too dry. But we're just going to keep going. I'm going to roll up, wrap it around, and then roll all the way up to my head and tie it off and squeeze it. That's it for these curls. That's why I love these, because it is really fast to put these in and you don't need to do really tiny sections. I think also what I usually do is a little bit of smaller sections. These sections were really big. I will be redoing these curls so that you can see how they usually turn out. Regardless, these curls are still gorgeous. I love the body and bounce that I got from these rollers, and these are one of my go-to curling tools to use on my locks. I just love how effortless it looks, and it reminds me of the effect that a blowout would have on loose natural hair. Okay, so I'm going to finish the rest of my hair off camera and I'll be back tomorrow when I take down these curls. So happy new year and happy Black History Month. This is my first video of 2024 and I'm going to be showing you, oh, that's rude of me. I'm going to be showing you my go-to curls and how they look. It seems like whenever I record this, the curls don't turn out as well as they usually do off camera, but hopefully this turns out well. I am gonna I just sprayed a room spray and I think I sprayed too much. I did wear a bonnet so that my curls don't fall out, because they come out really easily. These are soft rollers, so they don't really stay put very well. What do you guys think of how my makeup looks? I've been trying to learn how to do more of a full face, because I think for filming it comes off a lot better when I have a full face on. I don't mind coming on camera with no makeup on or a little bit of makeup on, but if I want to get a certain look, it's like I really have to pack it on to get the look that I see in my head show up on camera. If that makes sense. But I tried to contour and put on blush and all those things. I'm more of a minimalist when it comes to makeup, but it's fun to pack it on sometimes. So let me know if this looks like full coverage makeup to you. I'm learning. Anyway, let's get into this takedown. So with my first lock set, I love doing flexi rod curls. Those are like my favorite curls to do. With this lock set, I don't know if it's because of the length or because I have more locks, but so far I love the look of soft roller curls. Maybe that'll change as my hair gets longer. It probably will, because honestly flexi rods create the prettiest curls. Yeah, I just curled one with this because I missed one. But I hope your guys' new year is going well. It feels like February is really the beginning of the new year. January is just a bit stressful and you're trying to get back into a routine and a groove. It took me a while to get back into my fitness routine, going to the gym regularly. Make sure to take these out really gently. I don't know about you guys, but lately it's been really hard for me to listen to hip hop and rap. I don't listen to modern rap at all. It just feels so toxic and It's like sometimes when I'm working out, I'm in the mood for something upbeat, so I put on hip hop, but I just have to turn it off because it just is so distracting. The content is just, it's so explicit and it's just not something that I want to be listening to ever, so I really don't listen to it anymore. I like to listen to Afrobeats, but even some Afrobeat songs, like if you actually know what they're saying, it's pretty explicit as well. So there's that. I do love the sound of it. I've been listening to a lot of movie soundtracks, and I listen to Amapiano sometimes because it's mainly just repetitive words and a really fast beat. And what else have I been listening to? And I listen to reggaeton because it's in Spanish. So it's like, even if it's explicit, I really wouldn't know. Definitely rap and hip hop. I can't do it anymore. So I don't want to say that this is a fail, but I swear my curls turn out better when I'm not recording. But I'm just gonna go in and gently separate. Oh, I missed one. The main thing that I love about soft rollers is the bounce that it gives you. It gives your hair this gorgeous bounce. So even if your curls are like 5 days old, there's still this bounce that just seems to last a long time. Even if you don't necessarily have ringlet curls, it just gives this nice body. Okay, so I'm gonna be honest, I've gotten better results before, but I'm not gonna call it a fail. It's not a fail because the volume and the bounce is still there. It's just the definition is not. I think I was just way too tired putting these in, but regardless, I'm gonna rock them because these are my favorite curls, and maybe when I do it again, I'll do it when I'm not tired, and I'll show you how that turns out. These are the curls. It's not really a curl, it's more of like a wave. This side is a completely different curl than this side. I'm just gonna have to try again. This is reality. Your curls don't always turn out perfect. Make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do have some fun content coming, and one of them is going to be in honor of Black History Month, and it's a really interesting topic. So make sure to subscribe and comment down below if you have tried soft roller curls. Also, what is your favorite way to curl your locks? Make sure to follow me on Instagram. I'm back up and active on there. That is it for this video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.